Hey, this is Pat Bruce again from Master Building Inspectors. I'm here in on an inspection, and as I turn my way around here, I want you to notice something. I'm in a bedroom. Can't talk today either, but I'm in a bedroom, and one of the problems with this particular bedroom is there is no emergency egress. There's no egress, no way out, so therefore if there were a fire on this side of the house, you've got to go out the main door in order to get across the house and get out. Not necessarily the best thing for a bedroom. Not to mention, nowhere on the ceiling was there a fire alarm. Let me encourage you, everybody needs a fire alarm in their bedroom. We don't want anybody getting hurt. You have a great day. Thank you for tuning in and checking out our YouTube page.